Hello everyone, today we have another X32 rack with same symptoms as the other one that I made on the channel. So just the 48 volt doesn't work, preamp doesn't work, but screen turns on and like if you look at it, it works, but it doesn't, so no remote, nothing. Probably like the old one, a PSU problem. So we're gonna look at that. Right now I'm looking at the voltages of the PSU just to check which rail is bad. So I unplugged every board and just have the PSU turned on. So checking black on the ground and red on the voltages. We don't see, but we don't have 48 volt and we don't have 7 volt, which is so I don't remember if I had 48 volt. I think not, but at least the 7 volt was not here. 7 volt is for the remote of everything. Probably a lot of relays, etc. Are on 7 volt, or not relays, but at least the computer that is telling the relays to open, etc. So yeah, I put it out the PSU and checking the Schottky diode, which is a big failure point, and as you heard, it's shorted in both direction. So I'm just gonna replace it, and I will replace all the caps. Just putting the PSU back in, change the thermopaste of the transistors and the diode, so it stay cool. Yeah, and just gonna test the voltages again and see if it works. And it turns on, great. So it's not updated, but everything works. 48 volt works. We saw the nice red LEDs next to the XLR connectors. So it's great. Just put the panel back on, and yeah, great. Another one safe from the bin. Great consoles.